presenting the Dodge 2019 Challenger SXT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: tires 235/55 R18 AS Performance, STD, wheels, 18-inch x 7.5 inches cast aluminum, STD, black houndstooth cloth sport seats, pitch black clear coat, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 50, included, auto stick automatic transmission tip start auto leather wrapped shift knob, Sirius XM satellite radio included, 1-year Sirius XM radio service. For more info call 800-643-2112, driver convenience group included, remote start system, blind spot and cross path detection, universal garage door opener, power multifunction fold-away mirrors, front fog lamps, park sense rear park assist system, high intensity discharge headlamps, quick order package.